It's trick or chic time here on the Chic Show, so I have 4 budget-friendly neutral Halloween DIYs using items from Dollar Tree and Dollar General. Prepare yourself. Project number 1 is a skeleton picture. This is a page out of a vintage book, so I tore it out and I taped it onto a regular piece of copy paper and put it in my printer. The skeleton itself is from Graphics Fairy, and I printed it onto the book page, and then I'm going to place it in this vintage frame. I love the details on this vintage frame, and I love the way this turned out. Project number 2 is a witch's ball scroll. For this project, I used a paper lunch bag from Dollar Tree and I taped it to a regular piece of paper and put it in my printer. The graphics is from Graphics Fairy. I then proceeded to wad it up and give it a good scrunching so it would be nice and wrinkled, and then I smoothed it out and even ironed it out a bit. I cut down 2 dowel rods and gave them a coat of Waverly ink chalk paint. Then I used these skeletons and added them to each end of the dowel. Once that had a chance to dry, I hot glued the paper bag around the dowel to make a scroll on the top and the bottom. Now I'm using macrame cord to make a hanger. I think this turned out really cute. The next project is a dupe for the Pottery Barn Witch's Broom. I bought this large cinnamon broom for $5 from Dollar General. I simply added some sticks from my yard to make it a little bit more full, and then added twinkle lights. These lights were $5 from Walmart. I wound them around the handle and all through the bottom part of the broom, and then secured it on the back. I actually made 2 more of these to display on my front doors. Project number 4 is kind of a Grandin Road dupe. I took this skeleton from Dollar Tree outside and spray painted it gold. I then cut the left leg and the left arm so that I could glue them back together in more of a bent position. Hot glue did not want to hold this very well, but neither did super glue. I did finally get the hot glue to work. And this little skeleton oversees all the pumpkins and all the other Halloween decor in my living room. Be sure and give this video a thumbs up if you've seen anything you like today, and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.